The structure for technology, motion and return is still used. S5000, M03, F0.02. New spindle and feed rate information. Motion. G00, X35, Y20, Z50. Go close to the starting point for the cycle. The centre drilling cycle 82 can be found by pressing the horizontal soft key drilling, followed by the vertical soft key centre drilling, and then centre drilling. RTP, retract plane absolute, enter 10 millimeters. RFP, reference plane absolute, enter 0. SDIS, safety distance without sign, enter 2 millimeters. DP, final drilling depth absolute, enter minus 4.5 millimeters. Press modal call soft key. Modal call. Every axis position block after the cycle, the control will drill a hole using the cycle until it is cancelled. Press OK to confirm the parameters. Type in the axis position blocks. X35 Y20, X80 Y20, X80 Y80, X35 Y80. Press deselect modal on the vertical bar. G00, X90, Y50, Z10. Position the centering tool for the tapped hole. Open the Cycle 82 drilling cycle. RTP, retraction plane absolute, enter 10 millimeters. RFP, reference plane absolute, enter minus 10 millimeters. SDIS, safety distance without sign, enter 2 millimeters. DP, final drilling depth absolute, enter minus 14.5 millimeters. All parameters have been set. Press the OK soft key. After that, we go back to the return point. G00, Z100, M01, optional stop.